Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli, excited to be with you. And would just like to talk to you about a simple way that can help you to start earning some extra income online, because that's most likely why you're here watching this video, because you're looking for something that works and something that is simple and something that you can start using to make things happen for yourself, I'm sure. Well, congratulations, because you're in the right place at the right time. And this is a simple little system called copy and paste ads. As simple as it gets. Okay, that's what it was coined. And it is just that, folks. It's very simple. This is something anybody can do. You don't need any special experience, knowledge, or education to be able to do this. Everything you need is provided. That's why people are gravitating to copy and paste ads in record numbers and taking action, getting started, and joining each and every day. Okay? Super simple. The next reason is because it's affordable. In my opinion, this is affordable for the masses. It's only $129 one time. There's no upsells, no upgrades, and no monthly fees at all. Okay? This is also very duplicatable. This is something anybody can plug into, follow some basic instructions, and then go out there and take action and apply and implement the information and the training contained within the back office. Okay, so with that being said, I just want to show you just a little sampling of what's possible. Now, $100 a day, hey, that's, on average, it has the potential, $3,000 a month. If you double that, $200 a day, that's doable, realistic with this program. You double that, you go from 3 to 6. Now, of course, disclaimer, I can't make any guarantees, claims, or promises of income, and nobody can certainly do that, because I don't know what you're going to do with the system once you do join and get access to your system and to your back office. And I don't know anybody's work ethic either. But what I can tell you, individual results are going to vary, okay, from individual to individual, just based upon, your ability to plug in and just stay consistent, work at this a little bit every single day for the best results, and great things can start happening for you too and coming your way. So let me just show you on November the 6th, we had another new member join. And as you can see right here, VIP membership copy and paste ads, $100. So we're going to go ahead and log into the back office of copy and paste ads right here. Okay, and you'll have full access to your very own back office, and you'll be able to log in once you join as well. And everything you need to be up and running and start seeing results is right here. This is a very functional, it's a very easy to navigate back office, and it's very user friendly. This is a newbie friendly system. Okay, as I mentioned, there's no previous skills or knowledge or experience, education necessary or needed, okay, to make this work. So this is your back office. This is what you're going to see when you first log in. You'll definitely want to click here on this tab, new members start here. This is going to plug you into your training, okay? And you're just going to want to follow that. You are going to go ahead and check on your announcements and make sure that you take advantage, create your account to get your bonus ad credits. Because right now, I believe there are 5,000 bonus ad credits coming your way for you to take advantage of as soon as you join. And this will help you to get, visitors and eyeballs to your website. So you definitely want to take advantage of the G1, G4 Auto Builder bonus advertising credits. Okay, right here this month, all right, in November. And then you're going to want to watch this video here. Okay, this is going to give you full insight and an overview into the system and give you direction and provide you with some simple instructions to getting you up and running. This video right here contained within announcements, okay? And then what you're going to want to do is go to these 7 sites right here and create yourself free accounts. They're going to be very beneficial for you to use to copy, paste, and post your ads up on. These are some excellent sites. They are high traffic sites. They're targeted and they're ideal for this particular opportunity. They've been tested and proven to work. And my recommendation is that you take full advantage and and use these, okay, to your benefit. Now, if you need traffic, you certainly can join the rotator. This is another option, all right? And then we have done for you traffic right here that you can certainly explore and utilize. And then we also have banner ads and graphics and more right here that you can explore and utilize. And this is where you're going to track all your websites and access your member training and member resources right here. Okay, so let's click here, folks. This is some additional supplemental information and resources. Your training will be here. Your sample ads will be here. Places to advertise right here. And Craigslist training with Craigslist posting tips and cities right over here. Okay, so make sure you go through this. Take your time. Take it at your own pace. And you'll start here. And this is going to be your new member training. Step 1, you're going to set up your payment processors because that's important. This is going to how you're going to get paid and collect and keep 100% of the commission, $100 over and over again. Okay, you're going to want to watch this short little 3-minute video first and foremost, and then decide how you want to get paid. Set that all up in accordance with the video. Step 2, you'll create your profile. You'll enter all your information required into the fields and then save it. Very simple. This is your sample ads that you're going to want to start using. They're all provided. No need for you to ever create your own ads. Don't need to do that at all. And then step 4, the places to post. You'll go in here, you'll register free accounts, and you'll use the sample ads and you'll post up here. You'll also find some great, amazing step-by-step Craigslist training tutorials, okay? A video, you definitely want to take advantage of that. Watch that and use that. Use everything, folks, okay? Take your time though. Take it step by step. Don't go in information overload and you will do great. There's also done for you traffic in step 5. You can explore that and start using that when you're ready, okay? Step 6 shows you and tells you exactly how to post your ads, okay? And you've got step 7, your members area training. And then we have step 8, okay, which is your bonus ad credits. Access your bonus ad credits. So this is where you go to locate and complete that step and access those, okay? Now step 7, this was the member training. Okay, so we come over here and you'll go into that, all right? New members start here.
Hello, this is Donald with Copy and Paste.
And you're going to want to just, plug right into that. Okay, so everything is here awaiting you for when you get started, folks. Okay, here's your pages. Now, this is where you're going to find and locate your mobile ready, done for you, simple capture pages. There's 1 right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, oh, and it looks like we've got some new ones added. Okay, 7, 8, and 9. So super exciting, folks. All right, and then we have 2 sales pages. We have option number 1 and we have option number 2 right here. So it's super simple. You just pick whichever one you want and you click, point and click, make it your primary. Then you either go here to make this your redirect or you go here and make that your redirect. And then your website is fully functional and ready to go. Take it into the marketplace. It comes with a already connected, done for you, autoresponder with pre-written follow-up emails ready to go out. If you have your own autoresponder, you go into the settings section and you can integrate your own. I have Aweber, so that's what I currently use to build my own email list. All right. So it's really super simple, folks. Okay, it really is. So again, you choose whichever one you want. If you like this one here, make it your primary. Come up here, make it your redirect. And all you have to do is take the long raw link and just do a simple redirect into your domain name that you have access to or that you're going to purchase, for example, over at GoDaddy.com. Super simple. All right, and your website's ready to go. And then you just go into your training. And if you have an advertising budget, you can do some affordable, okay, very cheap, affordable paid ads, or you can take the copy and paste ads, register for free on the many different websites of your choice, and follow the training, and then just copy, paste, post your way to profits, okay? And just stay plugged in, show up every day, work the system, and you too can go on to experience great results as well, all right? This is where you're going to track your team, view your commissions, your registered members. Here's your tools for your statistics to track and monitor those. your ad tracking to track and monitor that. Here's all the autoresponder emails ready to go out for you, done for you, already connected into your system. Here is your G1 G4 Auto Builder login to access your bonus credits for this month. And then all of your sample ads, folks. Okay, tons and tons of sample ads awaiting you. There's no shortage of sample ads. So you definitely want to use these. Make good utilization of them. Keep scrolling down, folks. Again, no shortage. These work very, very well. They'll all be coded to you with your links in them, okay? Places to advertise. We've got Craigslist. Make sure you definitely take advantage of the Craigslist training. Okay, there's a wonderful video, step-by-step tutorial video. And then here's all your written steps to follow. So just make sure you take your time with all this. Okay, traffic and leads, done for you services. There's a done for you email blast option. There's a done for you traffic option and a done for you click option. So you've got 3 different wonderful traffic and lead done for you options, okay? And then of course there's the Craigslist training. There's your sample ads, and then there's a lot of different sites that you can go in. You'll find these here within the system to register for free and then start using the sample ads to copy, paste, and post, okay? It's all very, very simple. Now, if you have an advertising budget, you can go to Herculist, $20, and order up an ad. Very simple. And then if you have, say, $40, you can go to Udemy, create a free account, and start with a 100-click solo ads package, okay? For like $40 for 100 clicks. They'll write the email copy for you. All you have to do is just provide them with the link to your copy and paste ads website. Now, when you partner up with me, folks, I will provide you with my swipes, okay? My image ads, my email swipe that I'm using, and my follow-up emails if you would like to access those, along with my little DMO, my daily method of operations. I just keep this all really simple, folks. I just follow the system as is, as it was intended to be created and intended to follow for the best results. And the only difference with me continuing to get consistent results is I am consistent. I show up every day. I work copy and paste ads a little bit every single day, okay? I just continuously drive traffic to my website, and I let the presentation do what it does best. It does my telling, my selling, and my explaining for me. It will do the exact same thing for you. I continue to upload videos, these short, simple videos, to continue to share on YouTube, and my videos serve me very, very well as well. And then I have follow-up emails going out continuously to my leads, my new subscribers. And I just focus every day on building my email list for copy and paste ads. As simple as it gets. Remember, folks, the money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up, and I'm here to help you any way that I can. You'll find my website below, easydaily100.com. Again, that's easydaily100.com. You want to head over there, just enter your email address. You'll be taken inside. You'll click a little button, and you'll be taken right over to my sales page. And there you'll find a short little video. I believe it's like 4 minutes long. And you want to watch that. And then you'll see some highlights and some information. You'll want to review and read that. And then click on the Buy Now button as soon as you're ready to join. Okay? Love nothing more than to welcome you in advance to Copy and Paste Ads, my team. We've got a great community. We've got a great Facebook group and a community for all paid members. So if you're an active user on Facebook, we'll get you plugged into that. There's going to be some great resources there, some great value, and some great things that you can use to build your business above and beyond what is here. But it's all here for you within your system, within your back office. And the beauty of this is, folks, you can take this information and you can make some minor edits and modifications, okay, and use this for just about any business. These same websites that you'll be advertising and copying and pasting and posting your ads can be used for any business. The ad copy, you can go in and customize it a little bit for another opportunity, okay? And use all of this, including the wonderful Craigslist training too. Craigslist is huge. There's millions upon users of Craigslist. And if you have any social media accounts, like, say, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you can use all that too, folks, okay? It's really, really quite simple. Go to the resources. See, we've got our Facebook group. You'll request to join. Craigslist training, 100 places to post your ads. Look at all these, folks. Look at all these places. 100 of them. So you'll never run out. There's absolutely no shortage. Okay, you'll have your getting started guide. Here's an email to use to follow up, okay? And this is something I recommend doing too. As soon as you get a notification that you have a lead, this is the one that I send every day to all my new leads, above and beyond what my autoresponder does. And it works very, very well. It has served me very well, okay? Here's the subject line. Here's my $100 a day system that you requested. So if you come through my site, folks, you will be getting one of these. So keep a watchful eye on your subject lines for a subject line that's going to read, here is my $100/day system you requested, okay? And then below are the copy and paste ads, autoresponder, follow-up messages that are all built in. See, these are all built in. These work very, very well. These are high response, high converting, and these are already integrated into the system. Okay? If you have your own autoresponder, you can take each one of these, copy and paste them, and manually upload them. Okay? So that's the option. And these work very, very well. Okay? I love them, and I know that you will too. Okay? So everything is here awaiting you when you get started. I just wanted to share that with you. Okay? Places to advertise for free. Top 100 places, many of which are free. Facebook groups, mindset videos, sample ads, places to advertise, Craigslist posting, tips and cities training. Okay, it's all here for you, folks. And your resources and training, you'll find that right here. See, the Getting Started Guide, follow-up emails and autoresponders, Craigslist ad posting, places to advertise for free, 100 places to post, Facebook groups, and mindset videos. So this is all supplemental resources and step-by-step training. So it's all here, folks, for you. I just wanted to give you, another sneak preview into the back office so you can see exactly what you're getting for only $129 one time, folks. There's tremendous benefits, content, and value. Okay, so get started today. $129. Any questions, text or call me. We'll connect up if we need to, and I will share with you, my best results and best practices so that you can plugged in and start earning, and reduce your learning curve and get started and start earning in the shortest amount of time. I'll provide you with everything you need above and beyond what's here. Just connect with me, folks, and, we'll connect up, and I'll be sending you my daily method of operations as my little bonus for you. Okay, so with that being said, folks, there we are, and there I am at the top again of the leaderboard. So, just wanted to show you, not to brag or boast, just what's possible, and that, I'm somebody who can absolutely help you and assist you to get the best results and start getting some of these $100 bills deposited, daily also into your bank account. But you've got to take action, and you've got to take action with the system, apply and implement this. No reason that you can't get some great results too. Okay, so head on over to easydaily100.com, and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much. And here's all the different ways that you can get paid. We'll get you started today, get you set up, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.